Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful tips and updates. Today, we're going to talk about something that can make or break your finances, buying a car. While we all hope to make a smart choice when it comes to purchasing a vehicle, the reality is that some cars are complete money pits. These are cars that look good on paper, but quickly turn into regrets as soon as you start driving them. In this video, we'll be covering 10 of the worst cars to avoid, according to Consumer Reports. Some of these may surprise you, from engines that fail early to repair costs that rival the price of a new car. And the last one on the list? It's so unreliable that you're almost guaranteed to spend thousands on repairs before hitting 50,000 miles. Stick around until the end, because this isn't just a list. It's a guide on what cars you definitely don't want to buy. Trust me, missing this video could lead you straight into a financial headache you'll regret for years. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Volvo XC60. This sleek compact SUV comes with a hefty price tag of $53,000 for the base model. Its luxurious design and high-end interior appeal to many, and Volvo's strong reputation for safety is a major draw. However, there are some concerning issues lurking beneath the surface. The 2024 model alone has been hit with 3 significant recalls. Common complaints include transmission issues and engine stalling, along with frequent glitches in the infotainment system. Even the driver assistance features, which are meant to enhance safety, often malfunction. Fuel economy, at 22 miles per gallon combined, is decent for its class but feels disappointing given the price. On top of that, maintenance costs are high, and repair bills can quickly add up. While the XC60 is certainly stylish and safe, it falls short when it comes to providing long-term value. Coming in at number 9 is the Jeep Wrangler. It's no surprise that Jeep models often make it onto lists of unreliable vehicles, and the Wrangler is no exception. Once a favorite for off-road enthusiasts, this vehicle suffers from a range of issues, including electrical malfunctions, rust, and engine noise. Starting at $33,000, it may seem like an appealing choice for adventure seekers, but both Consumer Reports and many owners point out its serious reliability concerns. A major issue is the steering, which many describe as vague and prone to wandering, making highway driving both unsafe and exhausting. The stiff suspension adds to the discomfort, resulting in a bumpy ride on paved roads. The Wrangler has also faced multiple recalls, including problems with fuel lines, airbag defects, and even structural cracks in some models. Fuel efficiency is another downside, with an average of just 19 miles per gallon, one of the lowest in its class. The limited storage space only adds to the inconvenience, and the vehicle's depreciation is steep, especially for those with high mileage. Many owners find themselves upside down on their loans, making it a poor financial investment. While the Wrangler excels off-road, it's a tough vehicle to live with for daily driving. If you're not frequently hitting the trails, it might not be worth the hassle. Taking the 8th spot is the Jaguar F-Pace, a luxury SUV that certainly catches the eye with its attractive design, starting at $58,300. However, as both Consumer Reports and many owners point out, looks aren't everything. The F-Pace is plagued by electrical issues, particularly with its infotainment system, which has been widely reported. Additionally, numerous owners complain about excessive oil consumption and failing fuel pumps, even in newer models. Jaguar has issued several recalls, including one for faulty brake systems, which pose a serious safety risk. While some owners praise its performance and handling, many express frustrations over frequent trips to the repair shop. "It drives like a dream when it's not in the shop," said one reviewer, which sums up the experience for many. Despite its luxury status, the F-Pace brings too many headaches. The 2023 What Car Reliability Survey ranked it in the bottom third of large SUVs, with Jaguar coming in 29th out of 32 manufacturers, below competitors like Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche. If reliability and long-term value are important to you, the F-Pace might not be the best option. In the 7th spot is the Nissan Frontier, a mid-sized truck that starts at $29,000. While it's built tough, it has a somewhat mixed reputation. The Frontier's outdated design was a major downside until its 2022 redesign. But older models, particularly those from 2005 to 2010 and 2013 to 2018, have significant issues. Transmission failures, engine problems, and faulty airbags are common in these years, along with paint chipping and defective fuel systems. Fuel efficiency is another weak point, averaging just 18 miles per gallon. The Pro 4X model does offer off-road capability with a rear-locking differential, but it struggles with a rough ride and a basic interior. Newer models like the 2023 Frontier feature a smoother ride and more modern amenities, but still lag behind competitors offering better overall value. Recalls for airbags and brake components haven't helped its reputation either. Production of the Frontier is slowing, with operations set to end by March 31st, 2025. While it has a loyal following, this truck may not be the best choice if you prioritize reliability, efficiency, or a more refined interior. However, for those who prefer a rugged, no-frills truck, it could still be worth considering. At number 6, we have the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. While the market continues to focus on hybrids and electric vehicles, this model struggles to live up to expectations. Starting at $44,145, it comes loaded with features, but suffers from significant reliability concerns. The Pacifica Hybrid boasts an impressive 82 miles per gallon rating, making it the most fuel-efficient in its class. Families appreciate its spacious interior and smooth, quiet ride, and it also qualifies for a $7,500 tax credit, which helps bring down the price. On paper, it looks like a fantastic option, but in practice, it falls short. The 2021 model experienced issues with its EV battery, in-car electronics, and charging system, with owners reporting frozen screens, malfunctioning battery warmers, and charging problems. Many of these issues remained unresolved, leaving drivers frustrated. The 2023 model brought even more trouble, with Chrysler issuing a recall for a faulty wiring connector in the transmission that could cause the engine to stall or shut off unexpectedly. In total, over 67,000 Pacifica hybrids from 2017 to 2023 were recalled. While it's eco-friendly and fuel-efficient, the long-term reliability of the Pacifica hybrid is uncertain. Chrysler's reputation for dependability isn't the strongest. Maintenance costs can be steep, and major repairs are likely. If you're considering a hybrid minivan, be sure to weigh these potential issues carefully. Taking the 5th spot is the Volkswagen Jetta, a compact sedan often marketed as an affordable and stylish choice, starting at $21,995. While it might seem like a good deal, its reliability issues have caused significant concern. Older models, particularly those from 2019 to 2021, are known for transmission failures, engine stalling, and electrical problems, issues that result in expensive repairs and frustrated owners. Recalls have only added to its reliability woes, with problems such as defective fuel lines and airbag malfunctions, raising questions about its safety. Crash test ratings are mediocre at best, which is disappointing for a modern sedan. Customer feedback is mixed. Some appreciate its smooth ride and decent fuel efficiency, averaging 30 miles per gallon, but many criticize the cheap interior materials and questionable long-term reliability. The 2009 model is infamous for transmission problems, particularly with the DSG gearbox, while the 2006 version suffered from engine misfires, electrical failures, and fuel pump issues. Early 2019 models had infotainment glitches, and the 2003 model experienced power window and ignition coil issues. With ongoing reliability struggles across multiple years, if you're in the market for a dependable sedan, there are better alternatives. The Jetta's sleek design can't mask its costly and persistent problems. At number 4, we have the Land Rover Range Rover Sport, a luxury SUV that's known for its upscale interior, plush seating, and serene cabin. Powered by a responsive turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, it also offers a twin-turbo V8 option, delivering an impressive 530 horsepower. With a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, it seems like a great choice on paper. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The 2025 Range Rover Sport starts at $85,100, with the 2024 model priced at $83,500 for the SE trim. The 2023 SE model has an MSRP of $83,000, while the Dynamic SE is listed at $90,000. The autobiography trim comes in at $114,200, and the first edition is priced at a hefty $121,500, making it one of the priciest SUVs on the market. Despite its luxurious appeal, the Range Rover Sport has a reputation for high maintenance costs. The complexity of its systems, parts, and technology can lead to expensive repairs. Regular service from qualified professionals is essential to keeping it running smoothly. The worst years for the Range Rover Sport were 2006 to 2008 and 2013, as these models were plagued by engine, transmission, and electrical issues, which made them costly to maintain. Many owners reported ongoing problems that added to the already steep ownership costs. Before we dive into the final three, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Trust me, these last picks are so bad, you won't believe they ever made it to market. Let's continue. In the third spot, we have the Fiat 500L. Unfortunately, this vehicle earns its place for all the wrong reasons. Starting at $24,000, it may appear to be an affordable and quirky option, but it falls short in several key areas. Models from 2014 to 2017 are notorious for transmission failures and engine stalling, leading to high repair costs that can quickly add up, making it a poor long-term investment. While its crash test performance is decent, it lacks the advanced safety features you'd expect at this price point. Recalls have also been an issue, with Fiat addressing problems like airbags, fuel leaks, and suspension defects. The 500L's value drops significantly over time, with some owners reporting a 50% depreciation in just 3 years. It also suffers from a cramped interior, disappointing fuel efficiency at 25 miles per gallon, and a rough ride according to customer reviews. Fiat officially discontinued the 500L in 2021, citing multiple factors. It was introduced at a time when the segment was losing popularity. Its design was more reminiscent of the Fiat Panda than the 500, and its size was considered too small for the American market. Additionally, smaller SUVs like the Ford B-Max and Vauxhall Meriva gained more traction. While it may have seemed promising initially, the Fiat 500L ended up being a costly misstep for many buyers. Our runner-up at number 2 is the GMC Sierra 1500. As we near the top of the list, this truck claims the number 2 spot due to its serious reliability issues, with prices ranging from $38,945 to $86,900. The Sierra 1500 may seem appealing, but it has a history of problems. Models from 2014 to 2019 are particularly troublesome, with owners reporting transmission failures, engine issues, and faulty electronics. Some also face problems with steering components, which can lead to expensive repairs. Recalls are also frequent, with one major recall addressing brake system failures, while others focused on fire risks related to the engine block heater, both concerning safety issues. Fuel economy is another downside, with the Sierra averaging just 17 miles per gallon, which is low for a truck of its size. Insurance premiums are high, and repairs can be costly as well. While some owners praise its towing capacity and comfort, the hidden costs of owning a GMC Sierra 1500 add up quickly. Consumer Reports even notes that the Silverado 1500 offers better towing capabilities and greater reliability. If you're in the market for a dependable truck, the GMC Sierra 1500 is one you should likely avoid. Taking the top spot is the Mitsubishi Mirage. This may come as a surprise to some, as the Mirage is one of the most affordable cars on the market. But as the saying goes, cheap is expensive, and that certainly applies here. The Mitsubishi Mirage has earned its share of negative reviews, and rightfully so. Its 3-cylinder engine is underpowered, noisy, and prone to vibrations, making acceleration sluggish and daily driving less than ideal. The handling is clumsy, which detracts from the overall driving experience, and the interior feels cheap with subpar materials. The ride quality suffers as a result, and the Mirage didn't fare well in the IIHS small overlap crash test. Consumer reviews highlight how the driving experience falls short in terms of acceleration, handling, and noise levels. There have been multiple recalls, including issues with the internal acceleration sensor in the supplemental restraint system, SRS, which can misinterpret vibrations and cause the airbags to fail in the event of a crash. Some 2018 models also have problematic brakes, with screeching sounds reported, along with air conditioning and transmission problems in newer models. Surprisingly, maintenance costs for the Mirage are higher than expected, averaging $5,135 in repairs during the first 10 years. And here's the kicker. The Mirage is being discontinued in the US, and there won't be a 2025 model. While the low price might be tempting, the Mirage is a budget car that ends up being costly over time. That concludes our list of the 10 worst cars to steer clear of, according to Consumer Reports. While they might look good at first, the long-term costs and reliability issues are hard to ignore. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.